Smithy's Corner. It's really great. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now. BullionNow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins, shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne, Australia. Hang on one second, I've got to plug the YouTube channel because we have 15,100 subscribers. My goodness. Hit the big red subscribe button. To join the family, you get a warm and fuzzy feeling when you do, just like you always get the warm and fuzzy feeling when we do videos together.
That's the one.
Yeah. What's Smithy's Corner?
Smithy's Corner is, Smithy is a silversmith from up in Sydney way.
Yep.
And he produces some incredible pieces, which we highlight. We sort of highlight them once a week, but we haven't done one of these for a couple of weeks.
Haven't done one for a while.
Been a bit slack.
Yep, that's right. So here's a bunch of stuff that we've shown previously. They're actually still all available for sale. You can give Sam a call on 1300 84 84 10. Look at that skull. That is something kind of impressive right there. A bunch of other stuff. But we have some new stuff.
We do. So
let's go.
Actually, is this one a new one?
I don't think we've seen the colorized one, but I don't know if we've done the Cobra before, have we?
Yeah, I think we've done the silver Cobra, haven't we?
Yeah, we did the silver one, but maybe we don't have any of these in stock until we got this back in, so it probably sold really well.
Yeah, okay. So this is the colorized Cobra. So it's what is it? It's a it is a 3 ounce. We'll do the back first if you like.
Beautiful.
So it's a 3 ounce Smithies bar coin.
Yep.
Blob.
You wouldn't call it a coin.
No.
You'd call it a hand poured round of some kind. It's an art piece, really, isn't it?
It is, and it's as you can see there, it's stamped 3 nines fine silver.
Yeah.
So it is silver, but he applies a certain technique which he likes to keep under wraps a little bit.
Fair enough too.
And puts this colouring onto it. And it just looks absolutely amazing.
It is very, very cool. And it is a Cobra. And it does come with a matching certificate as well. We don't have the exact certificate, but it looks pretty much exactly like...
We do have the exact certificate.
Not on camera, yeah.
No, that's
but
right.
It looks like that, so you'll see it'll, Smithy hand writes it in there, the Cobra and the date and all that sort of stuff, and the serial number, etc.
It just doesn't say Wolf on it.
It just doesn't say, yeah, that's right. But you know what I'm talking about. So that is that. Let's quickly, before we go to the other ones, let's tell them the general pricing for Smithy stuff.
So because it's hand-poured stuff, you're not going to pay just your standard bar price for any of it because it's hand-poured, all those types of things. So there's obviously a lot more labour-intensive. There's a skill to it, as you can tell by the colouring and the designs and all that sort of stuff. So you are going to pay far more. You're looking at 40% above spot for Smithy's pieces. And then on top of that, you actually do incur GST.
Yep.
So,
but you are buying art.
Yes,
absolutely. In my humble opinion.
Yeah.
Speaking of, let's go left. We'll go this side.
Left, so the lion.
The lion.
That's a fascinating one, isn't it? And it's got that, are we calling it antiquing?
Yes, let's call it that.
So the blacking in the background.
Yep.
And it really brings out the detail of the lion with the sunset behind it, or the sunburst behind it.
3D nature of it. It's just really, really cool. See how close we can get. That's just lovely. And this is is it based on Zodiac? Is it Leo the lion?
It's potentially based on Leo.
Okay.
Star sign, but I reckon it's just a cool little lion.
It very much is. Can we turn it over, please?
Absolutely we can.
Lovely. And it is 4 troy ounces. That's so cool. I love these odd weighted hand poured stuff. Love, like, where else are you going to get a 4 ounce something? And I like the 4 and the 4, so it's 4 ounce and it's serial number 4 as well. Yeah, that's really cool. I love that. So that is that one again, spot plus 40% plus GST.
Yep.
That is really, really lovely. If you have any lion fans out there for any reason, a sporting team, a astrological sign or whatever, this could be a really good one to get for yourself or for someone else. And of course it will come with a matching certificate, as we've mentioned before.
Yep.
Lastly,
the bars, the 3 ounce bars. Where else can you get a 3 ounce bar?
Exactly. Only from Smithy's Bullion.
That's the one.
Beautiful. And we have a bunch of these. So we have more than just these 6. Now, interestingly, they are serial numbered as well.
And will come with certificate.
And will come with certificate as well. So actually, would you mind just popping one out, popping it on your white glove there, please? Yeah, lovely. We'll get some nice contrast there. Lovely. Beautiful 3 troy ounces. And you've got the Smithies bullion logo down the bottom right there. Pop it on its side. The other, my apologies, pop it down flat, but then lift it up a little bit. There we go.
Looking for the serial.
Looking for the serial. So the serial number is on the top side, or the side, one of the sides, and that is number 15. The end? Okay, sure. Is it the end? It's the end.
Yeah, that's the one.
It's nearly the end of the video. So you've got the serial number on each individual bar, of course.
Probably make them consecutive.
Absolutely.
I don't know if you've got them consecutive here. Well, that's 15, 16 and 17.
Oh, there you go.
So you can have consecutive numbering.
Yeah, if you buy a few, we'll definitely try and make sure they're sequentials. With individual matching certificates. Now, we'll just quickly show through the cabinet. We did do a Smithies Revisited the other day, a couple of weeks ago actually, and this is some of the stuff that is still available. So you've got this awesome combi van right there. You've got the Smithies bullion buttons. I think they are 1 ounce buttons, and they come in 5 to a little tube right there, if you can see that. So cool. These, oh man, I'll link to the video above where we highlighted these particular bars. They are just spectacular with the swirling and all that. A bunch of other stuff. I'll link above to the Smithies video with the skull in it as well. So they're all still available. If you see them in the cabinet, they are not sold. They are still available.
That's the one.
Up for grabs. Anything else they need to know?
I think that's pretty much it. You won't see them on the website.
No.
We don't do individual listings for these things. It's too labour intensive. So if you do see something that you like, or if you're curious as to what we might have in the Smithies range, 1300 84 84 10. Talk to Sam or Sylvia, and email sales@bullionnow.com.au.
Fantastic. Once again, head over to the Bullion Now channel, join the family. That's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.